Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on a PC. The first step is to check whether the PC is compatible. So you're going to type PC House Check app for Windows 11. And then you can click on the first link, shows up. And here I think you have to scroll down to the bottom where it says, let's see. At the bottom here it says download PC House Check app. So I'm going to click on it to download. So when it's downloaded, you can run it. I already downloaded it once, so I'm just going to open the app to run and install this House Check app. And click on accept, install, and just let the installation to complete and open. So now I installed the House Check app. Let's see if it opens. So you're going to have this PC House at glance. So we can click on check now to see if our PC is compatible. So let's see. Oh, great. So as you can see for my computer, it says PC meets Windows 11 requirements. And so I'm going to install Windows. Let's see all results. Okay. So this is a requirement needed. So secure boot. TPM 2.0, and I have that, and the processor is the 10th generation i3, so that works. And also the memory and the core number. So this is all good. So I'm going to close this, and the next step I'll show you how to install Windows 11.